Just a video on the Amiga. Broken spring on this side, so starting to take the axle out. Still need to get this spring out. Spring's okay, but I'm just going to change the pair. I'm looking at doing the back bushes as well, so I'll need to take the diff, loosen the diff off. I've already loosened these off, and obviously the shocker, that takes the spring right out, but I need to drop this. So I'm getting the springs hopefully in a couple of days. While I was doing that, while I was waiting them, I started stripping the front out. Exhaust, so I've done the exhaust as well. Here, you can see the back box was rotten. This was rotten. This centre section. That centre section, it's not bad, but I'd say it might rust away there if you try and get it out. But I've got a full set anyway. That's the broken spring on this side. Doing the front bushes as well. And there's the bob joint bolt. That bolt broke off. Absolutely solid. So I think probably what's happened is it was the rust when it was turning. And when I was turning the bolt, it was just, the rust was just building up and then it just snapped off. Well, it didn't look too bad there, but this, I was worried this might not come out, but I just hammered it with a chisel, a wee chisel punch thing, and it just fell out. So so I'm going to do the bushes, possibly the top strut, because it looks a bit sort of off to the side a wee bit when you look in the engine bay. If you're taking these out, you need to take this out first, your arm, this one here, and there's a big bolt in the engine bay. It's this is one, that's a 21 I think, and I just put a big pile of, a big length of socket, about 3 or 4 sockets down, and just lock it on, put a bar on it, strong bar or something, and then I just got the gun and just started taking it off. But I think the gun's going flat now, so another fun thing that happened was, there's the evidence of it. All the 4 bolts for the here snapped. So all these 2 here snapped and the 2 here snapped. So what I'm planning on doing is grinding away the head, or the bits remaining there, and then drill them out. So that's just another thing I've got to do. Pain in the butt, because I don't want to take these out, the catalyst and stuff, because that's just another pain. So if I can drill these out, hopefully. I was actually thinking using spot weld drills, because I've got ones that are a bit thinner and then it'll just drill right through. They're quite good at chewing the metal away, so I might be able to use them, and then just use nuts and bolts. I'm not sure about this flange though, because I would need to put something around there. If I was putting nuts and bolts on, possibly. So I don't know. I just want to get these out, and I might get them out and keep the threads. I don't know. Might stay. Threads might remain. But if not, I'll need to use nuts and bolts and some sort of bracket round here, so that something to hold the bolts to clamp onto, rather than this edge, because I don't know if a bolt would sit in there unless you had a kind of offset washer or something. possibly. The other bit I've got to do is this here. So we spot welding to do in there. Then that should be, I think the bodywork's pretty much okay. It's a bit crusty along in the sills and stuff, but I don't want to take these off now, I'll just leave them on. I think there is a hole up inside here on one of the sides, and it's a bit crusty on the other sides. I can't remember what one, but I'll get round to fixing them. So anyway, that's my underneath view, upside down, whatever. Try and get another video soon.